Okay, go ahead.
Once upon a time, Mickey went to Mickey's house. Mickey went to Minnie's house. Then he saw Pluto and Pickles. Then he pet the kitty cat. He was nice and happy for him. Then Minnie had a surprise for him. Then he leaves with Pluto and Pickles and his present. She didn't have her thing that she didn't have her pet. He go to the hotel.
Okay, you gotta hurry up. The battery in the camera's about to die.
Then I had to go to Mickey, then love him. Then the end.
That was an excellent story.
And
You are a good storyteller.
okay.
All right. Thanks for the story. Thank you for the story.
Thank you.